Hello children. Welcome to the jungle. Some wild animals are hiding here. We can only see their shadows. Let's look, guess, and complete their names. Look at this shadow. Big body, long mane. Who is it? Yes, it is a lion. L-I-O-N. Let's say it together. Lion. Now look here. This animal runs very fast. It is a horse. H-O-R-S-E. Good job. Next shadow. Big ears and a long trunk. Who is it? Yes, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Say it slowly, elephant. Now this one. Long ears and a small tail. It is a donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Very good. Look at the last shadow. Long body, strong tail, sharp teeth. Who is it? Yes, crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Well done. You found all the animals. Say with me, wild animals live in the jungle. Clap for yourself.